Good afternoon. I'm here with my new Discovery scope that my wife kindly bought me to go on my Uragan. This is the VT3. It's the 416 by 44 side focus first focal plane, and the reticle is an SS2, which is has diamond mill dot holdovers and half mill lines, similar to the B20 on the Falcon I have. So I'm just going to do an unboxing review, read a few things about it. So it comes with a card like this which has useful information on it. It tells you all about the spec. I'll just read you through these. So basically it's the VT3 model, it's the 416 by 44 first focal plane, it's a 30mm tube. This isn't illuminated unlike the full size one. Its overall length is 269mm or 10.6 inches. Its weight is 550 grams or 19.4 ounces. Its side parallax down to 10 yards and out to infinity. Its field of view at 100 yards is 26.2 feet. Okay. Eye relief is 3.3 to 3.5 inches or 85 to 90 millimeters. The click value is 1/10 mil. It's got elevation and windage adjustment of 60 MOA. Fully coated multi-green coated optics, and it's nitrogen filled, shockproof, waterproof and fog proof. Okay. It comes with a chamois cloth as usual, most of them do. A couple of Allen keys. The larger one is definitely for adjusting the turrets, so when you set your turrets up you can actually remove the turrets and set them to 0, and then you can make your little adjustments and return them to 0 when you're finished, okay, for making windage and elevation adjustments. So that's what they are. It comes with a manual. The manual is pretty standard. Tells you how to zero it, how to, what all the components are. It does actually mention on the back page about warranty. It says it's got a limited lifetime warranty. On the box it says up to 3 years. I think I read somewhere that if it says in the manual it's got a limited lifetime warranty, they will cover that. Okay, this is what I read somewhere now. Comes with a side parallax wheel. Okay, I never use them, but some people do. Also from Sure Shot, you get a choice of Picatinny or dovetail mounts, 30mm mounts, and basically I think they come for free. They don't come with a scope, so you just choose on the website. And I've got some Picatinny or Weaver. They're both 20mm. Okay. Then going to the scope itself, I'm just going to take it out of the box. Unbox it, unbag it here, just take the actual paper out of its bag and get the plastic band off, like so. Got this customary gel in there, okay. So this is the scope, okay. So going from the actual rear, obviously this is your optic for your eye. These covers, it comes with 2 flip-up covers, okay. You may want to replace them, but I've got these on my other Discovery scope, and to be honest, they're pretty good flip-ups actually. Yeah. So you can adjust your optic for your own personal eye there, okay. Now the actual magnification is this ring here. It hasn't actually got an actual thing to put your thumb on, but it does actually turn quite smoothly. It's not loose where you can knock it and it'll actually be out, but the magnification on it, I should just read them off. I'm not actually upside down, but it's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Okay, that's the magnification settings on the ring. Okay, also the actual scope information is there as well. It's nicely done actually. Then moving to the side, you've got your side parallax here. Okay, so that's nice and smooth. No grittiness in it, ever so smooth that is. Readings on that I shall give you now. It goes down to 10 yards anyhow, so you've got 10, 15, 25, 50, 100, 200 and then infinity, which is obviously outside 200. Your put that back on there, sorry. Your actual locking, yeah, for your windage elevation, just lift them, adjust them, and pop them back down again. Okay, it's got some nice seals underneath as well between the actual locking and also the actual body. So you've got water seals there, which is good. Same with your windage, okay. And then you've got your Allen key where you can actually unscrew this screw here, and then you can lift the cap off and turn it and set it. So once you've actually zeroed your scope, you can set the actual settings to 0, which they actually come like that anyhow. They're set to 0 there, see, okay. Also, if you look at the actual cap here, let's pull this cap off, okay. This also comes with like this is like it's a light deflector, yeah. So you can actually like a honeycomb light deflector. So if you have glare, it actually cuts down on glare, so you can fit that or remove it. So it came that it was fitted. I should probably leave it on actually. If we get an image through there, yeah, we'll try and get an image through there so we can get you to see that. So basically that's your scope. It's very well made. I mean, I've got the other Discovery, the larger version with the illumination, and to be honest, it's a good solid scope. And it was only, I think, UK about 230. This was 200. Really, the only difference is obviously the length has no illumination, which I don't use anyhow, to be honest. The weight is about 200 grams, or about 190 grams lighter than the full size one, so it's noticeably lighter. And obviously the reticle, because I have the HMD reticle on the full size one, and this is the SS2 reticle. I'm going to see if we can get an image through that. Hopefully just put it up to here. This might be a bit difficult, but we'll just give it a go. Yeah, sort of, yeah. So yeah, it is difficult to get a good image, but it's like an extended holdover reticle, like the B20 on the Falcon, where you have an extended drop below the actual crosshairs, extended mil dot settings. So it allows you, because I've got a 2.2, you know, you might use more holdover. Obviously you shoot out to 50 yards with a 2.2. So that's why I went for the extended reticle on this. So yeah, build quality looks fantastic, as the others, you know, the other Falcon and the Discovery I have. You know, I think they're very similar in the way they're actually manufactured. I think the Falcon and the actual full size one are slightly offset parallax and windage, and this actually is almost like, it's almost like straight across. It is slightly offset, but not as offset as the other one. So I think they may be come from the same sort of like family, really. Yeah, it seems really good. I shall be putting that out on the on my scope, put the rings on it, and I shall fit it to the Uragan and zero up when the weather improves, because actually tipping it down at the moment. It's been hammering it down all day, and it's thoroughly unpleasant day here in the UK. So yeah, I hope that helps you a little bit. It's for the money, you know, being a first focal plane as well, you know, for like, you know, 200 UK, I think you can't really beat it, really. And yeah, people say, oh, they're made in China. Well, to be honest, I think nearly most scopes are made in China nowadays. You know, and if not, they're made in somewhere in the Far East, and it's all down to the quality control. Providing, you know, the quality control is there on scopes like this, they'll always be good. You know, simple as that. I mean, as long as they're manufactured correctly and the QC's there, and people keep on top of, you know, the quality of the workmanship, then yeah, having a Chinese scope is not a bad thing. You know, I think even, I don't know where MTC are made, but I'm pretty sure Hawk are made outside the UK, and they come in and they get checked. They get checked at their headquarters in the UK before they're dispatched. So yeah, it seems a very good scope. I've got the full size version. I've had no issues with it. Hold zero, and I'll be testing this obviously outside when the weather improves. So hope you like that. Thanks for watching.